Hi everyone. In the previous video you have studied about the static binding, and in this video we'll be covering virtual functions or dynamic binding. You are familiar with the case static binding. I'm just gonna remove this virtual so that I can revise it for you. Let me just compile it and run it. See, you can, this is the case of static binding when we call this function 1 and function 1 even after pointed to this my second class, both times the first class function is called. So the virtual functions are helpful at this point of time. This is a case of I just need to apply virtual keyword before the function 1, and let me just compile it and run it to show you the output. Then we'll explain it that how. See, now my second class function is coming at the second time when we after this line. So what does virtual do? Virtual just stops this pointer to made any association at compile time with the member function of this class. I have created a pointer m1 of this class. Virtual function just stops to made any association with this function 1 when we apply virtual over here at compile time. So every association made with this will be of runtime, and so runtime associations can be removed but compile time not. So we'll apply virtual to stop it to make any association with function 1 for m1 at compile time, and runtime associations can be removed. So after that, when at runtime this new association has been created and m1 function 1 has been called. So after that my second function in class function 1 has been printed. So this is about the virtual functions and dynamic binding. Dynamic binding is also the same, that's just the same, just we need to apply virtual over here, and it is the opposite of the static binding. So now you are clear with the concepts of static binding and virtual functions and dynamic binding. In the next videos we'll be studying more about C++. Thank you.